issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, eastern Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, southern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, until 4 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Union, or over Millburn, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Orange and Caldwell around 3:25 p.m. Bloomfield and Fairfield around 3:30 p.m. Paterson and Wayne around 3:35 p.m. Hawthorne around 3:40 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area.